In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize a picture and make sure it fits with the formatting that you want on your document. So, in my document, let's say that I do want a picture. I already have one copied to the clipboard, so I'm just going to go ahead and right-click and paste it. This is going to be the picture I add into the document. Now, it looks okay here, but let's say that I don't want it here. Maybe it's too large, so I can resize it by kind of going back and forth like this. And notice that when I click the corner, it stays in the same resolution, so the same dimension. So it's proportional when I move it. If I just want to move it horizontally, like this, notice that the image sort of gets squished together horizontally, and same here vertically. It might get squished or stretched out vertically. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and undo all that. Okay, so I have my image. A couple things. Let's say I actually want to make it just a tiny image, and let's say I just want to create another column here and add the image there. So what I could do is I'm just going to make a third column. So I'm going to go back and click up here, make sure that it's clicked up here with the cursor up there. Go to Format, Columns. I'm going to add a third column, and that third column is going to be for my picture. I'll make this smaller so it fits on the same page right here. And I still want let's say I still want the space actually, so I'm going to go ahead and create a column break so it goes to the next column. And I have that space. I'm going to increase these bullet points. Now I want to move the image up there. And notice that when I try clicking and dragging it right now, it works. It looks okay. I think it's almost there. But let's say I want it a little lower. I could just hit enter a few times because right now it's in line, meaning that they're still thinking of the different lines. Okay, and that actually works right there. But let's say that maybe I kind of want it in this middle column, so I'm going to go back to 2 columns. Okay, and let's go and erase all this extra stuff. Let's say that I want it right here. I could go ahead and again move it right over here, and again it's in line. Notice it starts getting a little more difficult as we're kind of dragging it. Okay, because what's happening, since it's in line, it's trying to add the image right where I drag the image. So I'm clicking, I'm holding right now, and I'm dragging the image. Okay, so I dragged it after science, and that's why I put after science. Let's say I don't want that, so maybe I just want it to go around. Maybe I want the words, the text, to go around the picture. That's what wrap text is. It's going to wrap around the image. Okay. It's a little more apparent here. So let's move it up here so you guys will see. If I move it up here, it's going to move these words kind of down here. I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, so the words just go around it. If I play in the middle, the words still go around it. Okay, Marshall Ugo is a top leading search engine. Marshall Ugo promotes a healthy, etc. Okay, but maybe let's say I don't want it to wrap around it. I just want it to break the text. So what this means is it's just going to kind of go in between where you want it to go in between. Depending on your usage, generally this is what I think is this is what I use the most often. I mean, when I'm kind of modifying my images. Okay, so I'm just gonna, let's say I want to place it here. Okay, right into the job description and right into the last word. Okay. I think in this case I could use inline. I'm going to get rid of these extra gaps by just deleting that, and my formatting is a little bit better. Okay, so those are the 3 options. It really helps for you to play around with it. Inline, wrap text, breaking the text, and then you'll kind of get a sense of what each thing does. But if you're having a hard time fitting the picture we want, really try playing with these 3 options right here. You change the margins, meaning how close apart it is to the words or the text, and you'll eventually get it. All right, so that's how you resize it.